Hello, my name is Kiran Vakas, and today I am going to show you a Seller Central account. If you are selling on Amazon and you are facing some troubles, you are having some policy violations on your account, so we are not only providing the complete solutions of such type of violations, but we also provide the consultancy services to the Amazon sellers. And firstly, I would like to show you complaint that is related to product condition customer complaint. So if you are facing such type of problem, then we are here to assist you. I'm going to explain you that customer complain about the product, either the condition of the product is not up to the mark, because you know that if we are selling items and we are listing the products as a new, but unfortunately what is going on, customer is receiving the item whose packaging is damaged, might be possible seal is opened, or might be possible the product is used by someone, or you can say that the packaging was damaged in other case. So in all these cases, customer will complain that he is not getting the product that he was ordered, in not in our right condition. So there are two possible solutions to address such type of policy violations, because in other case Amazon will remove your listing if consistently you will receive the complaints from different customers. So here you can see that two options are there. You can acknowledge the policy violation, and then you will click on next. Then your listing will be removed, and what will happen, you will not be able to reactivate your listing in such situation. But in other case, if you will understand the policy and you are having proper invoices of the supplier or manufacturer, and you are having proper evidence to show that you have sourced the items authentic, and you are having authentic invoice of that product too, then in other case, you can understand the policy and you are having evidences or documentation, then you select this option and click on the next button. And then after that, Amazon will ask about the deactivated error. If you believe that your listing has been deactivated in error, then you have to answer the below questions. And Amazon is asking the question that what fulfillment channel are you using to deliver the ASIN. So whatever the option you were using previously, you need to select that option. After that, you need to submit. So if Amazon needs some type of evidences or proof, then Amazon obviously contact with you. But in other case, if you will acknowledge the violation, then you are not able to release that item on your Seller Central account. So this is the violation type in which customer will complain regarding the product condition customer complain. And one thing, that what type of condition customer complaints are doing, so you need to copy the ASIN of the product, and after that you need to go on the voice of customer to see what the issue is coming in the ASIN or in the listing. So I'm going to put the ASIN over there, and after that the listing will come, and I will see the details that what type of issues our customer are facing. So we try to resolve that issue. In other case, we need to remove the listing. So a wrong item was sent. Make sure you pack the correct item as displayed on your product page. So other resources shows that the picture shows a dark pea, but the item is a light teal. So do not match my bathrobe. So these are the two orders reviews as well. So you can see that wrong item is sending to the customers, which is not actually ordered from the customer. So this is the issue, and we need to look in the problem, and after that we need to decide that how we can resolve it. And if you are facing such type of problems, then you can contact me. I'm here to assist you in resolving all type of issues, like all type of reinstatement issues of Amazon, Walmart, eBay, etc. So whatever the selling platform, we are here to reinstate or to help reinstate your account, and also we are providing the consultancy services. Thank you so much for watching our videos. Bye.